honestly drive out all these cars. We got a new cool project. It's an Infiniti Q series SUV. We're gonna be adding bass, okay? Bass. But yeah, hope you guys like the new view. I got this thing where you can see more. Hopefully it looks good and you guys can see better. All right, this is the car we're gonna be working on. About to get her some new bass. No bajan los vidrios porque apenas la tintearon. Check out this cool car. It's a Q80. Look at the display. I mean the dash. Imagine you have to take apart all this. Hopefully we don't gotta do that. Right, Omarcito? I see you. I see you. Hey. Yeah. So he's looking for his best entrance to run the wire. I'm pretty sure that's what he's doing. And yeah. Wish us good luck, Omar. Let's get some time lapse going.
When I wake up in the morning and I see your face, I'm becoming blind by your dazzling grace. What a beautiful feeling to be close to you.
So you guys can see we have all the colors. We're gonna print this so Omar knows what he's gonna get. That way he can do a good job.
What's up, guys?
It's printing now.
So what do you do when you're doing an amp to base on these new cars? First thing, you have to find out where you're gonna get a good signal. We've been fixing a lot of mistakes that people make. They grab signal from one of the door speakers when the vehicle comes with a factory subwoofer, and a lot of times the signal coming out of the front speakers doesn't contain bass on the music or that kind of signal. So you get some bass, but when you choose that signal to the subwoofer, where the music has the bass, then it's gonna sound better. And we have this, resources to always prevent that kind of stuff. Like this vehicle, it has a subwoofer dedicated output on the factory amplifier, so we know before we start working where to find the wires, so less mistakes at the end and quicker to do the installation on these new cars.
Nice. Good thing we're certified. We're audio systems certified.
Omar, dice que el amplificador de fábrica está del lado derecho. Okay. Red, white, the red at the amplifier, and right rear quarter panel. Okay, ¿estás?
Entonces el amplificador me va a quedar
Aquí, ¿no?
aquí abajo y el módulo.
El módulo allá adentro. Y si ves que hay espacio para el amplificador allá adentro, también lo puedes dejar allá adentro.
All right, so Omar is passing the wire through the firewall and he's running some cables. We got the GoPros, one there and one right there. They're gonna show us what he's doing. Cool, this is the product we're gonna be installing. It's a kicker, it's not ours. 600.1, the JL Audio LOC, the JLW3 V3 with a box from JL Audio. And Junior, can you tell them why is it acceptable to use a LC22? And maybe they might be like, why aren't you putting the DSP?
The reason why? We're just doing bass. So bass, we don't need all the control that DSP has.
Nice.
I mean, it's cool to have it because you can control the time alignment on it. But the customer's not looking for that in this case. He just wants some bass. And honestly, he doesn't want to spend a lot on a DSP because he's not going to have the full benefit out of it.
Nice. So, this is okay when you're having just bass. All right, guys. And we're back with Omar. Welcome back, Omar. Omar, can you please tell me, Omar? Can you please tell me what you got done so far? Dime español, güey. Los YouTubers sí hablan español. Ya, ahí pusieron. ¿Por qué no hablas español? No quiero? Okay. So, I'll take over for Omar. Looks like Omar got the power wires ran, RCA's ran, with the base knob. We got the, oh yes, ya pusieron todos los cables del amplificador? Oh no, okay, so he just wired up the LOC 22 already, the wires. Look at those ferrules though, oof. Okay, now he also has to wire up the bass amp, so he'll get that wires going there after he gets this nice and neat. Back together. Let's check out the installation. Omar, take it easy. Looking good, mijo. Looking real good. Okay, thank you, senor. That's why I knew you were the right man for the job. I'm gonna let you guys hear how it sounds in about 3, 2, 1. The vehicle. Omar is putting away everything last minute. We're gonna listen to the bass. We didn't do the highs on here, but we did the bass. We got some rumbling going. Play the customer's USB, just so you guys can get a kind of a read for it, see what it sounds like with regular music. But remember, we can only play a couple seconds, okay? We can't play nothing crazy.
You looking so fat when they be in no taste, and I'm going straight to the top, so you ain't cream the ice.
All right, Omar, say goodbye.
Bye.
All right, man. I want to wish you guys Merry Christmas. It's around the corner. Thanks for subscribing. You guys have done an amazing job. Honestly, the channel's been blowing up since the last month, so I really, really appreciate that. All the comments are well appreciated, hated or non-hated. It's all fun. Also, this Infiniti Q sounded really good, man. It was 1.10 stealth box. I loved the way it sounded. Factory amplifier sounded good for the highs. It blended very well. So that guy was ecstatic and he was stoked. Also, by the way, don't forget to comment, like, subscribe. Merry Christmas, and if I don't see you by Happy New Year's, Happy New Year's.